Welcome back to the Ultimate Guide to Santa Rita Ranch, Episode 2. I am Keith.
And I'm Judy, and today's episode is all about amenities.
Santa Rita Ranch has invested almost $20 million in its amenities here in the community.
Yes, and those amenities are going to be concentrated in two main areas. First, we have the hub in the south side, and then the ranch house in Santa Rita.
Here is a look at what the ranch house has to offer.
Here at the hub, there's a whole new array of amenities to be offered.
From fitness to pools to fun, there's very little left to be desired.
Next to the hub, you'll find the green, where you can experience fun, fitness, and a little bit of relaxation. Santa Rita Ranch has an assortment of parks sprinkled throughout the community. Get out and enjoy the parks with your family, kids, or even your dog.
The beauty of Santa Rita Ranch doesn't just stop on land, it's also on water. Santa Rita Ranch has a series of lakes just like this one where you can do all kinds of things like running trails, or maybe you can practice your cast. Anything yet? If getting outdoors is your thing, Santa Rita Ranch has you covered.
With 5 completed miles of trails and 10 more on the way, you can get out and enjoy the hill country views and stretch your legs. And if all of this isn't enough, Santa Rita has a full-time Director of Fun.
The Director of Fun is on staff to provide dozens of events every month, from fitness to food trucks to family activities, maybe geared just toward children, maybe geared just toward adults, all designed to create community here in Santa Rita Ranch.
Wellness is a big part of the ranch code here at Santa Rita Ranch.
That's why Santa Rita Ranch has built this multi-million-dollar state-of-the-art facility to include cardio, weights, and you can stream live workouts or enjoy recorded ones. And
the best part is, it's open 24 hours a day.
So cancel that gym membership.
Even farther, 'cause I got a million reasons to keep holding on. Yeah, I got all that it takes to win and overcome. What I got is just a feeling, but it's oh so strong. It goes on.
Here in the Homestead section of the community, they are building an 8-acre amenity called Ranch Camp. Ranch Camp is going to have multiple pools. It's going to have a clubhouse, pickleball, and so much more. It's located right across the street from Santa Rita Middle School. And in addition to that, they have this welcome center that they're putting in right next to it. Another piece of information you may want to know is that right over on that side of the amenity is going to be a brand new elementary school. Thanks for sticking around for this episode of the Ultimate Guide to Santa Rita Ranch. We are your local experts. If you have any questions about Liberty Hill or the Northwest Austin area, feel free to hit us up.
And if you feel like we've left something out, or if you have any questions or comments, drop them below. We'd love to hear your thoughts.
Yep, thanks again for sticking around. Check out the next episode of the Ultimate Guide to Santa Rita Ranch. And until then, we'll see y'all around the hill.